Hi guys, hope y'all are doing well. My name is Reika and Yanique for those who are new. From the title of the video, which I'm sure will be a dead giveaway, we are doing some Treats by Reeks stuff. And Treats by Reeks has just been like a passion project of mine that's really been, I guess, keeping me distracted and sane during quarantine. And I figured for this video I would take you on one of those random let's make something new today. So that's what this video is about. I wanted to try out a new cupcake recipe. Earlier in the summer I made some pina colada cupcakes, and I really wanted to continue with making desserts inspired by cocktails. So my next cocktail that I want to turn into a cupcake is a Margarita, which is like one of my favorite cocktails. I did do some prep work for it yesterday. I made the frosting, I did the cupcakes. Right now I'm just going down to kind of figure out how I want to frost and garnish. And then last but not least, but definitely the most important, we have to do a taste test as well, because pretty is one thing, but if it don't taste good, what's the point? You know, what's the point? Anyways, that's what we're working on. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button because it definitely helps me a lot. Also subscribe, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Don't forget, follow me on my socials, TreatsByReeks, Reika and Yanique. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, while you see the prep of the cakes, I'm gonna finish prepping my face, and I will see you guys in the kitchen. Toodaloo. Alright guys, so we're doing some prep work for our Margarita cupcakes. Starting out with some granulated sugar and just adding some oil to that to kind of dissolve the sugar a bit. Adding some eggs, some vanilla, a little lime extract. Just prepping all our wet ingredients at this point, and once the wet ingredients are fully combined, we'll add the flour to that. One of the things that I included in this recipe was some alcohol, so I added some tequila and some Cointreau, which are key ingredients for your margarita, and I wanted that to be reflected in the cupcakes, so did double up on the liquor for this recipe, and also wanted some fresh lime in there as well. So just adding all of those ingredients in there to really bring out and enhance the flavor of the margarita cupcakes once they're done. So these cupcakes do bake at 325 Fahrenheit, and you only need to put them in for around 25 to 27 minutes tops, and they should have a nice, not too golden brown, just a nice tan looking color to them once they are complete. For frosting, I wanted to do a tequila lime frosting, heavy on the tequila because it's a margarita, of course. So I just did a stabilized buttercream, which basically I substituted some of the butter for some Crisco just so it can hold up in the heat. It's very hot here, guys. Yeah, so the Crisco helps to stabilize the buttercream, and I just added some condensed milk and powdered sugar, and of course the tequila for taste.
The next day.
Alright guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is where the magic happens. So as you can see from the last clip, I already made the cupcakes and I did the frosting. So today, or right now, it's all about decorating and most importantly the taste test. Does this joint taste good? Alright. So I have the cupcakes out right now. They were on the fridge overnight. The frosting is still on the fridge, and then over here I'm gonna do some prep for my garnishes. I plan to garnish with a small lemon wedge and a touch of salt, because margarita is not complete without your salt. Alright, so wedges are done. We'll set them to the side. So this is the frosting from yesterday. Nice and thick. I was gonna get like a spatula and kind of soften it a little bit so it's easier, so a little bit easier to pipe out. Love the consistency on it. So my center. So I'm gonna press in the center, then build. In the center, then build out. Push in the center. How it was looking. Cute over there. Alright, so we're going to rush these back to the fridge. I tell you, baking in the summer is an Olympic sport. So just finishing out each cupcake right now with individual droppers filled with an actual margarita. I added the lime wedges, which I did freeze for a bit just so they would be easier to stick into the frosting, and right here just adding the dropper that has the margarita concoction in there. And once that's all added, just need to garnish with the salt and cupcakes are done, guys. Easy peasy. Yeah, so we're gonna just top these off with some salt. I got this from Mexico and they use this a lot in their drinks, so I think this would be a nice touch to garnish off the margaritas. And again, I'm not gonna go too crazy because I'm not really sure how people would feel about salt on a dessert, but just a little salt bay action and I think I'm good to go. Yeah, I like how nice and coarse this salt is, so I think that would be a nice little garnish on here. Let's zoom it in. I'll just add. Yep, and now she ready. All right, so what is your name? So this is the moment of truth, guys. I've recruited Mr. Sweet Tooth confectioner. He's gonna give my Margarita cupcake a try and be nice.
Oh, okay, I'll try. Alright, do. I like to squeeze the lime on my margarita. Let's do that. Tastes like a margarita.
Seriously? You tried to drop a thing?
I'm gonna try it now. First, let's try to drop it by the foot. A little tart, but I like my margarita tart. Can I have another one?
What? You want one more? You're only allowed 2 for the day. So you decide.
Choose wisely.
Choose wisely. You've gone 1. So you have 1 more for the day.
Oh, this is really good.
You really like this. So for texture, how much do you give the texture?
10.
10. What do you
Can
like?
I eat the wrapper?
No, dear.
No.
No, seriously? No, take out. I cannot believe you.
No, it tastes really good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Well, I'll take it. Alright, I think I will try my cupcake now. Try my cupcake. Not really a sugar person, but
Right.
I like sweet treats, but I like to bake sweet treats, but I don't like to eat sweet treats.
Life.
I'll squeeze the lime. Peer her back. Let's take a bite. This is good. It's not too sweet. That's what I like about it. So you don't feel like guilty after eating it. Nice and light, which is what I was going for. Yeah, not bad. Wash it down with some margarita. Alright guys, there you have it, my take on a margarita cupcake. Let me know what you think, and if you want to see me recreate more summer cocktails, give this video a thumbs up. I really had fun making this video, so let me know if you want me to make more summer cocktails. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and of course if it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and until next time, cheers.